Hello class, today we're going to learn about elapsed time using set model and linear model. Okay, so our first model will be set model, and here is the word problem, and it's read: suppose that is 3:15 p.m. How many minutes until it is 5 p.m.? Okay, so it's asking us, it is telling us, we know that it's 3:15 p.m. and it's asking us what it will be. What is the elapsed time between 3:15 and 5 p.m.? So let's find out. Okay? So using the 60 approach, we can calculate that it takes 45 minutes. Okay? It takes 45 minutes to get to the nearest hour, which is 4 p.m., right? From 3:15, it is 45 minutes until it is 4 p.m., right? And then it take another hour or 60 minutes, another hour or 60 minutes to get to 5 p.m., okay? So let's add this. So to find what is the elapsed time until 3:15 to 5, we gotta add those minutes, 45 minutes until 4, 45, plus 60 minutes. Okay? And it gets 5 plus 0 is 5, and then 4 plus 6 is 10. So 105 minutes, or 1 hour and 1 hour and 45 minutes. Easy, right? So now let's find out how to find the elapsed time using linear model. Okay? And it reads like this. And it says, music class begins at 10:45 a.m. You get out of class at 3:30 p.m. How much time will it be until you get out of music class? Okay? So the first thing that we have to do is, so we're gonna put over here, we're gonna learn about elapsed time of using linear model. And the first thing we gotta do is draw an empty line. Okay, we're gonna draw an empty line, which is this one, and then mark the start time and the end time in noon. So we know that the start time is over here. We're gonna start over here, and the start time is 10:45 a.m. 10:45. Okay. So noon is gonna be somewhere over here, which is 12, right? Noon is at 12. And end time will be here. End time, which is 3:30 p.m. Right? And this was a.m. So, with another color. So, to the nearest hours closest to 10:45 is 11, right? The nearest hour is 11. How many minutes have been passed from 10:45 to 11? Will be 15 minutes. Okay? 15 minutes. From 10:45 to 11, we have an elapsed time of 15 minutes. And then from 11 to 12, we have an elapsed time of 1 hour. And from 12 to 3, we have an elapsed time of 3 hours. And from 3 to 3:30, we have 30 minutes. Okay, now that we have our number line or our timeline set it up, we are going to add. But in order for us to not confuse the hours with the minutes, we are going to add the hours first and then the minutes. So 1 hour plus 3 hours, okay, 1 hour from 11 to 12, and 3 hours from 12 to 3 is equals 4 hours, right? 4 hours. And then 15 minutes that were from 10:45 to 11, so 15 minutes, and then 30 minutes from 12 to 3. So 5 plus 0 is 5, and 3 plus 1 and 1 plus 3, I'm sorry, is 4. So we have 4 hours. 4 hours. Our answer is 4 hours and 45 minutes. So our elapsed time from 10:45 to 3:30 is 4 hours and 45 minutes. So our class lasts, the music class lasts 4 hours and 45 minutes. Okay?